Hello. You are live. Yay. Hello. Welcome to my stream. Welcome. Today I want to speak English. So sexy. So speak English, please. I want to try. My sister says that I must do this. Meow. Hello. Yoda. Brady. How to sister? How to it's so difficult to speak English. Sir, must I say sir for you? It's too matter, I think. Hello, Muhammad no Yasin. What I must say, bro? I say bro? No. Sister is good, but for men, what I must say? It's too difficult. Gimana sih? Gimana manggil apa itu kakak? Apa kakak? Oh my. Brother, bro. Must I say bro? It's so difficult to say English. Brother? Must I say brother? Or sir? Miss? Mister? It's so like another to call other. Hey, sister for girl. Or the sister like that. But how I must say hello, just hello name like this. Wait. You are crazy like my sister, you know. What I must say, bro? What must I say, bro? I don't know how to say bro. Sister is good, but bro is like hey bro, like that. I think I can use that to call you all, right? I susah. Bingung. I'm so confused to call you all. Yeah, in US I think. In US, they don't even call. Maybe call the sir and Mrs. Mister. But for the young one, I don't know how to ask. I just know for a girl, say sister. Like that. You are not handsome, you are so crazy. I like my sister. You know? Hehehe. Hehe. No. Hello. Wait. Let me go to help my sister. Hello. What is your style bro? It's so cringe. Say bro. You know? I don't know. Say bro. It's cool or not? I think it's so strange. Bingung. I'm so confused. Miko Beam! Miko Beam! Is that fighter? Miko Beam? I don't know. Oh, it's here. Sky Sister. I'll see the animation. Miko Beam. I don't know what is that. Just see the animation. Yum. What the fire one? Apa itu? Yang itu no? Lupa. I forgot. Oh no, my internet is not so bad. Internet is so bad. Really bad. The old way. Wow. Yeah. Why you are not say anything in the comment section? Why? I will speak English, but I don't know what topics to say. Where is the talking Pachichi Haya? You only yapping. Yeah, because there is no comment anything. Pachichi. What is Pachichi? Pachichi. It's something like fish. Pachichi. Is Pachichi a fish? Ikan. Apa itu? Pachichi itu apa? Ikan? Talk about something lah. Hiya. I don't know how to say no topic, no stalking. You know? No topic, no talking. What the talking Pachichi? What talking Pachichi? What is Pachichi? Pachichi is fish. I think it's fish. Ikan gitu. Pachichi adalah ikan. Pachichi is fish. Right? Don't know. Ooh. What the father one? Wait. Wait. What the? A little to the left. Oh, is this a game? Ooh. Wow. Tell about something. I don't know what to tell about something. I just apa disuruh. What is the English one? Oh, disuruh. Oh, commanded. Yeah, I am being commanded by Kaisista to say English. I don't know. He just ordered me to say to speak English in this stream. Yeah, I'm not well in speaking English. Right? It's so difficult. Hey, say something, you all. Don't just don't just diam, quiet. Don't be quiet. Don't be quiet. Just say something like like that, or maybe I don't know lah. I don't know lah. That is lah in the end of the line. What I'm talking about? Apa coba? Hey, speak English. You know, speak English. Speak English. What is apa coba? What try? No. Don't translate it like what try? No. What you talking about? Like that. Say like that. You know? You're the brother. You're the bra. You're the bra. Like, it's cringe, you know? Say brow for you all. To call you all brow. Yo. Hey, talking, don't be quiet. Talking. What is husband? Hey, speak English. What is husband? Uncle Ben? Like that? Uncle Ben? Husband. Waya. Waya. What is this? Waya. I don't know what I'm talking about. No, there's no topic. Make a topic, please. Say something in English. Oh, Shika no stan. Shika no stan. Cause you are crazy. Yeah, I'm crazy. Eh? What is that? Suddenly there is a tractor. Hello. Who is that? Thank you for the tractor. Tractor. Who is the tractor? Meow meow. Hello. Hello. Hello, no Angelo. Hello, sir. May I call sir? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Under 7 minutes, sir. Like that. May I use sir to call you all? Gemes banget. Hey, speak English. Speak English. You don't see that. You don't see that. Speak English. Dan bilang-bilang kayak kecil. Hey, speak English. Speak English. Please. Hello, Jin. Hello. Hello, Sir Enoy. May I call you all sir or bro? I don't think so. Must call bro is so cringe. On English only? Yeah. I just being commanded by Kaisista to speak English. Yeah, you can use Indonesian. Don't say anything to Kaisista. Udah, capek pakai bahasa Inggris. Hello, everyone. Oh yeah, I can speak English. Yeah, like that. Bro. Buwata. Oh yeah. Water. In US say water. In UK say water. Hello, what's up, little sis? Hello, what's up? Punjet bro. Punjet bro. It's cringe, you know. Say bro. Hey, bro. Like that. I don't know what to call you all. It's so bro. Hello, Enoy bro. Hello, Kunjet bro. I don't think so to say bro. Sir or mister? I think mister is good. But is it to say mister? No, my internet is broken. Yeah, like Cyper camera. Yeah, I see Valorant videos, no? Because Kasista always look at that. Two car is three. Oh, yeah, two car is no? It's three car is three, you know. Two car is three. No. Three car is three. 2, 3. Hello. Windah Batu Bata, sir. Hello. May I call you sir or mister? Like that. Two car. No, 2 is 3. 2 is 3. Oh, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! In my school, I learned about numbering. Yeah, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10. Tak bisa bahasa Inggeris. Nyau. Aku pun gitu. Aku pun sama. Tak bisa bahasa Inggeris. Cuma dikit-dikit dah. GWS internet iau. My internet is broken. My internet is broken. Like that. Like Cypher says. My camera is broken. So I think Mr. is for McAlign. Yeah. I don't know how to call the boys. For a girl, I think sister is good, but bro, I don't know. It's like cringe. I think Mister to adult. You Mister. No, I'm not Mister. I'm sis. I'm little sis. Little sis. How about sir? Sir? I don't know. It's like adult 1, 2, Mister and sir. Yeah, just like that. Just like 2 adult, I think. No, you're not. Yeah, that's right. Capek. Dah. Ya, mudah-mudahan gak didengar. You cebol. Yes, that's right. But I'm cute. I'm cute, right? Yeah, because I'm cebol. So I'm cute. Ding gitu. Nanti ada efek lope. Apalah cuma itu. Udah capek bahasa Inggris. Ya. Mumpung kakak lagi pergi. Jadi pakai bahasa Indonesia. Yay. Dalam bahasa Inggris malas. Weka. Yeah. I don't know. I'm always the Hello kakak Ahmad Rafi. Don't say anything to kakak Kai. Kai sister. I will dilepok. Ditabok. Maksudnya dia nggak pernah lihat video-video ini. Pasti ya abis stream terus dimatiin, udah gitu doang. Takut ya, dia nggak bakal lihat stream ini. Kecuali dia ada di samping, dia pasti lagi ngeliatin. Ini dia lagi pergi. Hehe. Tadi ini si Poki. Mau Poki lagi. Ayo kasih Poki lagi. Ini kakak 7 minit udah kasih koki. Ayo. Waya. Shikana kono stantan. It's so cute. No? Shikana kono stantan. Like that. It's so viral. No? Mina. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Mau itu minum. Hehe, kakak, permisi. I want to drink your drink. Nyam. Hehe. Makasih. Thank you, Kak Sista. Nyam. Air putih is good. Air kosong is good, you know. Air kosong. Water is good for your throat, yeah? Right? Throat? I think tenggorokan is throat. Wah! Shikana kono stantan. Waya. Like rabbit in, what is that? Rabbit in. Ikan ko no stantan. Ay naman niya. Kono stantan. What is this? School meals time graduation. Hey, say something. Don't be quiet, you know. Say something. Say something. Say something. Don't be quiet. Too quiet, you know. Too quiet. I will say. Take satu. Take satu. Kau misalnya di luar negeri, apa? Di Amerika atau di Eropa, itu bilang apa? Bilang cek mik gitu. Cek ini, itu bilang gimana? Cek 1, 2, 3 like that. Cek satu. Kalau di sini kan cek satu gitu. Galak bener nih bocin. Yaw, kan diajarin sama kakak galak. Wow, gitu. Wow. Gigit. Si kanak-kanak no stantan. Si kanak-kanak no stantan. Hampa na lakian. Puwa shidai na dosa. Check 1, 2. Like that? Oh. Puwa shidai na dosa. Kaya yo bisa ko kanaite mo warate mo ai shite ne. Hora say hi. Say hi ni ga shiro. Mana no mai na ni nyonya. Moni na mina. Moni ni na. Nang na mai na nai. Mani na no ka. Obone to shite. そりゃそういいか。もっと頑張って。人になめにななまななな心配ないや。半端ならけおん。ふわふわしたいならどうぞ。かや指さこうかないても笑っても愛してね。ほらせよにかせろ。Aku random banget. Random. So random, you know. So random banget. Mini. Namanya meno. Mari namanya. Too quiet. I don't know what to say. No. Speak. Ngomong. Nyanyi satu album. Oh, ya. Satu album. Aku tak tahu itu lagunya siapa. Aku cuma nyanyi karena dengar itu kakak kai. Lihat supporter terbaru. Coba lihat supporter terbaru. Lihat. Mana? Cepat. Wow. Makasih kakak Leoda yang baik. Makasih kakak Leoda yang baik. Thank you very much. Leoda, Leoda to support me. Thank you. Like that. What? there is notification. Takdir notification. Kai kemana tu? Nggak tahu, dia pergi ke supermarket. Dia pergi ke supermarket. Pergi ke supermarket. She go to supermarket. You know. So, jadi aku titip itu Poki. Yeay, ada banyak Poki. Dikasih kakak Yoda. Dikasih kakak Shepherd and the Minute. Yeay, banyak Poki. Aku bakal bikin party, Poki party. Yau. Kau kamu dah tahu? Ya, enggak tahu. Tanya aku tanya siapa? Tanya kakak Kai tak bisa. Kakak Kai pergi. Kakak Kai lagi pergi. Saya benarkan Kai benerin ya gimana kakak Kai pergi? Kakak Kai go kasih saya go to supermarket. Aku disuruh, bentar. Tadi aku disuruh kakak Kai ambil jemuran. Bentar yau. Aku disuruh ambil jemuran katanya. Kalau kamu lagi stream, nanti sebelum aku pulang, kamu itu angkat jemuran. Bentar yau. Dadah. Ya, bye-bye. Bentar doang. Ya. Bentar. Ini disuruh. Emang gila kakak Kai, emang gila disuruh stream terus disuruh angkat jemuran. Emang gila. Hello kakak Rian Pratama. Hello. Welcome to my stream. Thank you for coming to my stream. Yeah. May I say bro? I don't know. I still think about bro, Mister and sir. I don't know how to call you all. I just know how to call the girl. One is use sister. Wait. Bentar. Aku disuruh angkat jemuran sama kakak Kai. Bentar yau. Bentar yau. Tunggu aku. Yau. Tunggu aku. Bentar. Dadah. Eh, hello, hello. Eh, no. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Maya, Maya. Maya, Maya. Wah. Ito. Oh. Since when you become chibi? Since when? Since born. Since I was born, I become chibi. Chibi, chibi, chibi. Ha 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 ha. Since I was born. Since I was born. Born. Mana, mana. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy. What is this? Oh my god. Kakak main. Kakak dia main apa ini? Fair enough. That's right, fair enough. How to say it? Jadi, aku itu udah sesat. Terus ketemu kakak gitu. I am a time traveler. Yeah, maybe you can call me time traveler. A time traveler. Because aku tersesat di hutan, terus tiba-tiba cincin gitu aku muncul di sini gitu. Apa itu? Main apa itu? Bentar. I think main apa? Apa itu? Ih, kok seram. Ih, kok seram. No! Aku bukan kudo dedet. Aku kaitin. Kenapa? No, itu kayak kucing hantu. Itu kayak kucing aku juga. Banyak kucing meow meow. My cat is a white fur, you know, have a white fur. So cute. My cat is so cute. How to tampilin. Gimana sih? Gini ditambah image, terus ini oke. Terus tambah ucing. Mana ucing, tambah ucing. Mana ucing aku? Ini dia ucing aku nih. Dadah. Jam. This is my cat. He have a white fur, you know, and have a heterochromia eyes. Yeah, heterochromia eyes like me. How to make it? How to? Nah, ini. This is my cat. Yeah, so cute like me, right? Right. I'm so cute. He is so cute. We are both cute. We are both cute. This is my cat. Have a white fur. Heterochromia. Yo. Like that. Heterochromia. Yeah, like me. I have a heterochromia. Me too. Let's get two. So we are both heterochromia and cute. Hehe. Meow. Meow meow. Yeah. I am black cat. She is a white cat. Right? Like that. We are both are cat. We are both cat. We are both cats. So difficult to speak English because the what is that? Apa itu susunan kata-katanya agak susah, bingung. Aku di sekolah biasanya di pelajaran bahasa Inggris disuruh ngomong Inggris. Ya biasanya aku nakal, aku diam-diam ngomong pakai bahasa Indonesia. Hihi. Jadinya itu aku kurang bisa. Makanya disuruh kakak Kai suruh ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris. Di stream katanya kamu nih harus belajar bahasa Inggris, nanti besar jadi apa katanya gitu. Ya aku mau jadi ucingnya imut kayak ucing aku. Hi, dadah ucingnya imut. Aku pengen rebahan, pengen baring main game doang. Tanyang. Itu serem. Tak mau lihat dadah kakak Yoda. Bye. Tak mau lihat hantu serem. Hai. Dadah, aku pergi dulu. Takut. Dadah. Anak-anak ko Stantan. Kakak Serafios lagi live follow yang. Siapa lagi yang live stream? Meow. Nah, apa lalo? Why you are lalo? Mau kemana sih? No. Tidak kemana-mana. Habis ini aku stream ya. Sampai jam 8 aja. Ada kakak bilang sampai jam 8 dia belum puyang. Aku kepengen poki. Kepengen pesta poki di kamar. Sampai jam 8. So I will stream on 8 o'clock. Right? Yeah. I want to stream on 8 o'clock. Because I want to Poki party! Yay! Nina manana buena. Nina manana buena. Itu kakak Kobo. Apa? Nyanyi lagu. Aku tahu itu apa? Lagunya kakak Kobo. Nina manana buena. Gitu. Nina manana buena. Ini kakak Mahilu live stream. Kakak Mahilu live stream. Oh, dia lagi main itu Minecraft. Kakak Kai udah nggak ada install Minecraft. No. Lagu apa itu? Tak tahu itu lagunya Combo, lagu kakak Combo. Lagu kakak Combo yang Nina manana buena gitu. Tak tahu judulnya apa. Yang sama itu apa? Kakak Merin? Ya, sama kakak Merin nyanyi Nina manana buena gitu. Aku tak tahu. Nina manana buena gitu. mana itu lagunya? Aku cuma tahu itu nada-nadanya doang. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Gitu. Apa ini? Ini apa? Ucing! Ucing! Ucing ada di kaki aku. Ucing lagi di bawah kaki aku. Aku lagi duduk di kursi. Terus ada ucing di bawah kursi. Ya, my cat is under the my cat is under my chair. Betul kan? Betul kayak gitu kan? My cat is under my chair. Ini ucing. Ucing. Meow 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 meow. Ada ucing. Puji. Aku itu kritikin dia puji. Lucu. Ucing. My cat's name is Snowy because his fur is white. Yeah. Mina. Pasti karena warnanya hitam. No. Kamu salah. Tetoy. Bukan. Karena warna putih. Putih. Ini kakak under 7 minutes. Tak tahu warna? Aku tahu warna. Putih is white. Hitam is black. Like me. My hair. Biru is blue. Like my eyes. No? Meow. Ni nyaman wenya. Bentar lagi aku SM. Habis itu aku party poki. Yeay, party poki. Like that. Lah, iya. Aku mau party poki. Poki party time. Bing bang bon. To the ichiban Like sing a bing bang bon. Main game aja Cin. Yaw. Mau main game nanti di kamar. Terus main itu makan poki. Yeay, makan poki banyak. Let's sing a bing bang bon. Let's sing it bing bang bon. To the next, to the ichiban Hey, ore no mama iru dake little flex. Ite ore no samesenai. Don't flex. Oh my god. Apa ini coba? Ini kakak yang satu ini dia lagi ngapain? Lagi batsu. Nyaman nih. Gimana nih? Hai shite. Moto ai shite. Moto. Ai shite. Itu apa itu? Aku cinta kamu gitu kan? Ai shite itu. Aku cinta kamu gitu. Aku cinta kamu. Ai shite itu. Nyam 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 nyam. Nyam 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 nyam. Hah, haus mau minum dulu. Ini minta lagi ya kakak. I want to drink your water. Hihi. Nyam nyam. Hihi. Nyam nyam. Enak. Air putih itu enak dan sehat. Water is healthy. Water is healthy for your body. So you can get hydrate. Like minum mulu deh, makannya udah. Jadi aku udah makan sama kakak. Aku makan bakso. Meatball. I eat meatball already. So good. Meatball is so good. So tasty. I like it. Yeah. No. My internet is broken. My internet is broken. You know, broken. Ini kenapa cuma kakak Anda 7 menit doang yang ngomong? Jam mulu. Ya udah, aku stream aja. Dadah. 5 minutes remaining. Yeah, that's right. 5 minutes remaining. Dah, aku mau bye-bye aja. Bye-bye. Nah, capek ngomong-ngomong mulu. Aku mau main game. Aku udah mau di sini. No. Ini gimana? Aku mau main game. Mau main game HP kakak ditinggal. Yes, aku bisa main game di kamar. Haha. Aku bisa main game di kamar terus. Kan udah di Poki. Yau, itu kakak ada aja, kakak sempat ada minit. Yau, aku mau pesta Poki. Terus aku mau ambil HP kakak. Dadah. Mampus, nanti dia cari. Di manakah HP aku? Ayo katakan, di mana? Gitu. Kayak itu film dola. Di manakah HP ku? Di sana, gitu. Di sana. Ini tempat kacin. Mampus, nanti dia tak bisa itu. Tak bisa dia lihat HP. Mampus. Udah dadah semuanya yang udah datang. Pakai bahasa Inggris. Aku coba pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Thank you for watching this stream. So thank you for all, and thank you for the support. Yeah, under 7 minutes, and Mr. Yoda, thank you. So I want to end this stream. Yeah, dadah. Have a good night. Have a good activity after see me. So maybe I will stream again next time. So subscribe me. Yeah, subscribe. And itu apa, nyalakan lonceng apa? Ditekan. Nah, gitu. Ditekan. Ya. Dadah. Bye. Good night. Nah. Dadah semuanya. Yes. Next main Roblox. Nanti kita main bareng. Yau. Tunggu di sini kakak main. Dadah semuanya. Dadah, dadah, dadah. Love you all. Mwah. Dadah. Dadah semuanya. Aku ambil HP-nya kakak. Hahaha. Yes.